Have you ever wondered how celebrities maintain their health and vitality amidst their hectic schedules? Kerry Washington, known for her glowing skin, vibrant energy, and versatile acting, might just have the secrets you're looking for. At the heart of her approach is a holistic perspective on wellness that perfectly balances nutrition, fitness, and mental health. Join us as we dive into the wellness practices of Kerry Washington and perhaps find inspiration for your own journey to well-being. The plant-based powerhouse, Kerry Washington, known for her vibrant energy and glowing health, attributes much of her vitality to her plant-based diet. This choice isn't just a passing trend for her, it's a conscious decision to nourish her body with the best possible nutrients.
So if I'm playing somebody who's perfect all the time...
By focusing on fruits and vegetables, Kerry ensures she gets the vitamins and minerals crucial for her demanding lifestyle. This approach isn't just about physical health. It's also about mental clarity and emotional well-being, key factors in her busy life. Kerry's diet reflects a broader shift in how people view food, as not just sustenance, but as a source of energy and vitality. By sharing her diet choices, Kerry encourages others to consider the impact of their food choices on their health and well-being. Her example shows that making small, sustainable changes to our diets can have a big impact on our overall health and vitality. Hydration and health. Kerry's commitment to hydration is unwavering, considering it a non-negotiable part of her routine. Her beverage of choice is coconut water, valued for its electrolytes, especially potassium, which is crucial for maintaining heart health and hydration levels. Unlike many in her industry, Kerry steers clear of alcohol, prioritizing a clear and focused mind. This clarity is paramount for her profession, where memorizing lines and delivering impactful performances are key. Her dedication to hydration, especially through nutrient-rich drinks like coconut water, mirrors her holistic approach to wellness. For Kerry, wellness is not just about physical health, but also about nourishing her body to achieve peak performance in all aspects of life. This lifestyle choice not only supports her career, but also underscores her commitment to overall well-being. Moderation over deprivation. Kerry Washington's approach to balance is inspiring.
We're never making media because we want to make a statement.
Particularly her attitude towards indulgences. She enjoys a cookie or cupcake occasionally, demonstrating a realistic approach to eating. Rather than strict rules that lead to yo-yo dieting, Kerry embraces life's pleasures while focusing on overall health. Her philosophy of moderation, including treats, reflects a healthy relationship with food and body image. By allowing herself indulgences in moderation, she shows it's possible to enjoy treats without guilt or compromising long-term health. This balanced approach contributes to physical well-being and fosters a positive mindset towards food, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Kerry's outlook reminds us that enjoying life's pleasures can coexist with a commitment to health and well-being. Before we dive further into Kerry Washington's wellness routine, let's take a short break to introduce you to a product that can complement your health journey, Java Burn Coffee Supplement. Java Burn is a unique coffee supplement designed to enhance your metabolism, boost energy, and promote overall health. It's an excellent addition to your morning routine, helping you start the day with a burst of vitality. Whether you're juggling a busy schedule like Kerry or just looking for that extra boost, Java Burn can be your new best friend. Check out Java Burn Coffee Supplement here and discover how this incredible product can elevate your wellness routine. Pilates and yoga, core and calm. Kerry's fitness routine revolves around the harmonious blend of Pilates and yoga, offering her a balanced mix of physical strength and mental peace. Pilates plays a pivotal role in her regimen by focusing on core strength, which is essential for her posture and overall health. This practice helps Kerry maintain a strong and stable core, supporting her spine and reducing the risk of injuries. On the other hand, yoga serves as a calming sanctuary, providing Kerry with a mental escape from the stresses of daily life. Through yoga, she cultivates mindfulness, enhancing her mental well-being and promoting a sense of inner tranquility. The synergy between Pilates and yoga in Kerry's routine highlights the profound connection between physical and mental health. By prioritizing both aspects, Kerry not only nurtures her physique, but also ensures her mental health is well cared for. This holistic approach to fitness underscores the importance of maintaining a balance between physical exercise and mental relaxation, ultimately contributing to Kerry's overall well-being and vitality. Diverse physical activities. Kerry Washington epitomizes a vibrant and varied fitness routine, blending Pilates and yoga with hiking, swimming, and water aerobics. This mix keeps her workouts exciting and effective, preventing monotony while targeting different muscle groups. By embracing this diverse approach, she maintains her physical fitness and finds joy in movement. For Kerry, fitness is more than a routine. It's a lifestyle prioritizing both enjoyment and health. Each activity offers unique benefits, from the core strength and flexibility of Pilates and yoga to the cardiovascular endurance of hiking and swimming. This variety keeps her body challenged and reduces the risk of overuse injuries. Kerry's approach inspires all, emphasizing the joy in staying active. The importance of foot health. Kerry's choice to exercise barefoot is a testament to her holistic approach to health. By going shoeless, she's strengthening and improving the mobility of her feet and ankles, a crucial practice for someone who frequently wears high heels. This simple habit underscores the importance of considering every part of the body in the pursuit of wellness. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective health practices are the simplest and most natural ones. Exercising barefoot has numerous benefits beyond just foot and ankle strength. It can improve posture, balance, and even reduce the risk of injuries. Additionally, connecting with the ground directly, known as grounding or earthing, is believed to have various health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving sleep. Kerry's approach is a great example of how small, mindful choices in our daily routines can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. Supplementing wellness. Kerry has crafted a dietary routine that's more than just meals. It's a well-thought-out regimen to boost her health and well-being. Fish oil, a cornerstone of her regimen, brings omega-3 fatty acids into the mix, known for their anti-inflammatory prowess and benefits for skin health. Ginger, a spice with a punch, adds not just flavor, but also a wealth of health benefits, including digestive support and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon juice, with its refreshing zing, provides a dose of vitamin C and antioxidants, crucial for overall health and skin vitality. Finally, celery, often overlooked, brings its own set of benefits, such as hydration and antioxidant properties. Together, these supplements blend into Kerry's smoothies, creating a concoction that not only tastes good, but also nourishes her body from within. Rest and rejuvenation. Echoing the wisdom of her mother, Kerry prioritizes rest and hydration as foundational to her wellness practice. Despite her busy schedule, she understands the importance of sleep in maintaining health, beauty, and vitality. It's a simple yet profound reminder that sometimes the most effective wellness strategies are the most basic. Skincare and self-care. Kerry's skincare routine is meticulous, emphasizing the removal of makeup and moisturizing, especially given her battle with eczema. Regular massages are also part of her self-care regimen, helping to relieve stress and maintain physical health. This comprehensive approach to skincare and self-care is integral to her overall wellness philosophy, recognizing that outer beauty starts with internal health.
I think self-care is really important, and not just because it's become this sort of...
Kerry Washington's journey to wellness is a beacon of holistic health, blending mindful nutrition, varied physical activity, and dedicated self-care. Her approach is a testament to the power of balance, intention, and joy in cultivating well-being. As we reflect on Kerry's practices, let's remember that wellness is a personal journey, one that requires patience, experimentation, and self-compassion. May her journey inspire you to find your own path to health and happiness. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Kerry Washington's wellness practices. If you found inspiration in her holistic approach to health, like, share, and subscribe to Daily Fitness for All for more insights into how you can embark on your own wellness journey. Together, let's embrace a life of vitality, wellness, and joy. Remember, wellness is not just a destination, it's a way of living. Embrace it, explore it, and most importantly, enjoy it. See you in the next video.